Folks, welcome back to the Challenge Connection lessons. This lesson is entitled Your Data, and it's super important to me as the founder of the Challenge Connection that you recognize one of the greatest things about running your online challenge through the Challenge Connection is that all of the data you bring in is yours, right? And so let me just do a quick screen share here again, and I will show you what I am talking about here. Let's do screen share. You should be seeing my screen here where I'm making this lesson about your data, right? If we were to go into the dashboard, you're going to see a bunch of options for content, for data, right? We talked earlier about managing your users. So remember, you can go back to that lesson, managing users, and you can see, what that's like. So you can add users, you can delete users, and you can go through that. But let's go into finding out how people are doing actually in the challenge. So there's a thing called Lifter LMS, and that's one of the tools that I built to make the Challenge Connection. I built into the system to make that work for you. So you can go into reporting, and once you go into reporting, you'll be able to pull up any of your users, and you'll be able to either export their content, which I'm circling right here with my mouse, or you can open them up individually, right? And so when you open them up, you'll see that there is a full report available for everything that that user has done. Now, remember, as you add challengers to your challenge, you're going to see more and more people that you can look to. So you can either export the CSV report and then put it into like Excel and take a look at it from a data standpoint, or you can go into this and look at it, student by student more graphically in this area. So here's the main information where it says courses. For your purposes, that's going to be challenges. What challenges did someone put in there? Now, this is based off the challengeconnection.com, and that's where I put those courses in the back end for you guys, right? And so we see building a successful challenge and using Challenge Connection for your challenge. And that's this lesson that I'm updating for you guys now. Then there's memberships. If we were to start a membership, or if you were to have a paywall to get into different challenges, say you're going to host like 10 challenges within your challenge site, which you can do. You could have memberships so that certain members get access to certain challenges. So you could have like a VIP membership where people get access to all your challenges. You could have the Challenge Plus membership where people get access to 5 of your challenges. And then you could have, the single challenge membership where someone gets access to a single challenge. And you can build all that in. It's your site. So you have unlimited options. You can do whatever you want there. Okay, but you've got reporting, and then you've got the challenges that you can look at independently. You've got memberships that you can look at. And so like I said, if you were to build memberships like that, you would be able to see exactly who was in which membership and see how that's working for you. And then of course, there's the main dashboard that's going to tell you like your GamiPress and your stats and how many people are coming and all of that. Now, there are ways that you can look up stats inside Facebook, right? So I don't want to say that, hey, I'm offering something that Facebook doesn't have. You can go into Facebook if you have a Facebook page, or if you have a developer's account inside Facebook, you can go in and you can see different stats, or you can see where you may have, embedded that API, right? Or that pixel, and see what results come back for the pixel that you put in using Facebook's code. Okay, this is a lot more straightforward for you. I've got the reporting built right into your site, so you're able to go into your challenge, look at your users, and see exactly what your people are doing. And so to me, it's huge important that you understand that this data is your data. Do you remember before in the reporting screen where it said, export report? You can export that report on a daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis. You could do a quarterly report, for your company. Say you're hosting challenges for, for corporate purposes. You could say, okay, well, I'm going to go into the boardroom and I'm going to share with you this quarter's growth in our challenge consumption, right? And so you're able to have actionable data, which you could put into a kind of a KPI, key performance indicator platform, right? Where you could say, well, we're experiencing growth on this channel, this channel, this channel, right? Look at that example where I said you could have 10 challenges. Well, maybe you've got 2 challenges out of the 10 that are just railing it, right? So you can start to take a look at the data to see what's making the 20% of your challenges more successful than the other 80%. And so, and the options are countless. This just goes on, deeper and deeper. As I said from the very beginning, this platform was built to grow with you. And we've got a lot of options to plug in and add on to this for you, especially in a custom done for you package like our enterprise users get at the top tier. So folks, I hope you dive in. I hope you love it. I hope you enjoy the crud out of this. And if you have any comments, questions, concerns, or you're going through this lesson and something doesn't make sense to you, I implore you, go to the contact link, send us a quick message, and someone will get right back to you. All right. I'll see you in the next lesson. Have a great day. Bye-bye.